Hi, I'm James. I'm the event chef here at Riverford, and today we're going to whole bake a cabbage. So this works really well with Savoy cabbage and pointed cabbage. With the red and white varieties, it's a little bit too dense. The leaves are too close together for this to work properly. So the reason we're baking it whole is the outer layers will burn and that will form like a hard shell around the outside. And what this does is it sort of concentrates the flavors inside and it allows the leaves on the inside to steam perfectly, sort of in their own juices. So that when you cut it open, you'll have perfectly cooked, juicy cabbage. First thing you want to do, turn your oven all the way up, as hot as it will go. This works really well too in pizza ovens, wood-fired ovens, even on the coals of your barbecue, because what you want is that intense heat just closing off from the outside. This one's just come out of the oven. It was in there for about 40 minutes. And as you can see, it looks ruined. The outer layers are completely burnt and crispy. It looks like it should go in the bin, but trust me, inside is perfect. So as I cut it open, you can see how the inner layers are actually perfectly cooked. I really love this just with some burnt butter, some orange segments, some toasted cashews, and some chopped herbs on top. So there you have it, a really simple recipe. If you've got a cabbage and stuck for ideas, give it a go. Thanks for watching. If there's anything else you'd like to see us cook, leave a comment, hit subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay in touch with our weekly videos.